Hi, I am Jannel, and I am so happy that you decided to choose Flow Quick Connect. I'm here to show you how simple it is to set up your new internet modem for yourself. Upon completing this simple setup, you'll have instant internet access. I know you're eager to begin, so without further ado, let's get started. Your internet modem kit comes with 3 central hardware components: an internet modem, a power cable, and a LAN Ethernet cable. Once you have identified all 3, let's get to setting them up. Your home is already wired with the coax cable. Connect to the back of your modem like this. Next, connect your power cord to this port at the back of your modem. Then plug the other end into an electrical outlet. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the modem to start up. These lights indicate that it's ready. Once your modem is ready, you can either connect your devices to the internet wirelessly or by using the Ethernet cord. The cord connects from the modem's LAN port to your device. Note that your network name and password can be found right at the bottom of your modem, and this password can be changed at any time using the Flow Smart Wi-Fi app. And now you're all set to start surfing. Before you go, keep in mind that if you happen to experience any weak spots in your home, you can improve your wall-to-wall connectivity with our smart Wi-Fi extenders. Should you require any further guidance or have any questions, simply WhatsApp the Flow Contact Center at 223-3569 between the hours of 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. or visit us online at discoverflow.co for customer assistance. Thank you for choosing Flow.